Hi, today we're going to talk about the pre-mill station. If the cutter heads have been changed out or one has been sharpened, they could be different diameters and there could be a bump in the panel. I'm going to show you how to align those. Okay, to begin, we're going to turn on only the pre-mill, the beam, and the feed with the machine. We don't need any other units. If they are on, we can turn them off. We'll take a panel about 2 feet long and a heavy pencil and we'll strike the panel, putting marks. We'll set our fence to 0 and we'll pass the panel. What we're looking for is that there's an even cut from the front cutter and the back cutter. So in this example here, you can see the front cutter just shaved the panel, but the rear cutter cut too much. We'll stop the machine. We'll unlock the trimmer, in this case the rear. Unlock it, make our small adjustment. Lock it back in place. We'll strike the panel again, use a new side, and try it again. We'll repeat this process until we have an even cut, front and back. You can see in this example here, I have the same cut, the front and the back of the panel. We should have about half the pencil line removed, which means we are at 0. Both trimmers are in line and we won't get a bump in the panel.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you found that video to be helpful, make sure you subscribe to our channel. We put out new content about Weinig and Holz-Her machinery all the time to help shops just like yours.